Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Maths, question number 49. An equal number of male and female runners took part in the National Education Marathon last year. 去年呢，同样数量的男性和女性跑者参加了这个叫做 National Education Marathon 啊，国际教育的国家教育的那个马拉松比赛。去年 ，and 他说下一个是980 male runners and 350 female runners quit running and did not complete the marathon。什么意思啊？就是我们的这个 marathon， 它的那个马拉松 marathon 啊，它呢有980个男性的跑者跟350个女性的跑者就中途退出了，他就没有能完成这个马拉松的比赛。And the number of male runners left was 剩下来的男性的这个跑者呢 left was 1/6 the number of female runners。他说剩下来的这个男性跑者是女性跑者的1/6。所以说剩下来的男性的跑者明显更少嘛，因为你看男性的跑者的退出更多，对不对啊？然后他最后问 What was the total number of runners at the start of the marathon? OK， 那么我们来看一下，我们在一开始的时候，他们的男女的数量是一样的。那么我们可以把它设置成set the number of male runners and female runners at the start be x each and quit 退出的人 male and female 男性退出的是980，女性退出的是350 and left male and female x minus 980 and female x minus 350。最后他说这两个东西的比例，不是这两个人数的比例是怎么样 1/6。所以说其实你可以知道这 ratio 是1:6 1/6。The ratio of the number of male runners left to the number of female runners left is 1/6。我们就可以 form an equation。男性的数量是1份 1 unit and female runners 6 units。你会知道我们把这个6 times the difference of x and 980 equals the number of female runners left x minus 350。remove the bracket 6个 x 减掉这个地方我需要用计算器了。980 times 6 5,880 5880 equals x minus 350. Shifting to the left, the unknown 6x minus x equals 5,000 something minus 350. 5x equals 再做一个减法 minus 350 5530 so x equals 我们再把它 divide by 5 1106 OK 用你的计算器我们的速度会快一些。然后现在它问题来了 What What's the total number of runners at the start of the marathon? At the start. Total number of runners, x 2x, so 1106 times 2. Calculator here, times 2, 2212, 2212. Okay. Answer 2212。很有趣的一道题，它分成2个时间点 at the start of the marathon and after that, after a certain number of runners left quit the running, and we find the final number. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.